the first lady. So we think she's all that, huh? Do we even know her? As some claim and chase this title and position, the truth about her are often misunderstood, mishandled, misused, and lost in translation. The false identity of her gives birth to followers, never leaders. No wonder the divorce rate is at an all-time high. There's only one first lady, and even she is divided and must be mastered in three parts. We have to identify what she really is, where to find her, and then understand how to love her. If you don't utilize her properly, it's only a matter of time before she leaves you. Keep in mind, no one's exempt from her departure. If and when you find her, she should no longer be called the fictitious title of a first lady. She should be called the only lady, or better yet, the last lady. She's supposed to mean something to you before she can ever become someone. Don't get lost in translation.